High in the heart of Balochistan, Pakistan, lies the town of KALAT. This ancient town sits at an elevation of over 2,300 meters. KALAT is a place where history and nature intertwine. The town is nestled among rugged mountains and arid plains. It offers a glimpse into a world untouched by time. KALAT is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. KALAT's remote location has helped preserve its unique character. The town has been a strategic crossroads for centuries. It has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. Today, KALAT remains a place of immense beauty and historical significance. It is a testament to the resilience of the Baloch people and their rich cultural heritage. KALAT has a rich history. It was once the capital of the powerful KALAT Khanate. This kingdom ruled over much of Balochistan for centuries. The Khanate was founded in the 15th century. It played a pivotal role in the region's political landscape. The Khans of KALAT were known for their fierce independence and strong sense of justice. The KALAT Khanate reached its zenith in the 18th century. During this time, it controlled a vast territory. The Khanate's influence extended across what is now southwestern Pakistan and parts of southeastern Iran and southern Afghanistan. The legacy of the Khanate is still palpable in KALAT. The town's architecture, culture, and traditions reflect this glorious past. KALAT experiences an arid, cold desert climate. It has hot summers and cold winters. The town receives very little rainfall throughout the year. This harsh climate has shaped the lives of the people and the landscape. They have adapted to survive in this challenging environment. Despite the arid conditions, KALAT experiences distinct seasons. Summers are dry and hot. Temperatures can soar during the day. Winters bring a sharp drop in temperature. The nights are particularly cold. It is not uncommon for the town to experience snowfall during the winter months. This unique climate adds to the allure of KALAT. It offers visitors a chance to experience the raw beauty of nature. KALAT is surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. Towering mountains dominate the landscape, their peaks piercing the clear blue sky. Mount Harbour stands tall, a testament to the region's geological wonders. The Shah-e-Mardan hills with their undulating slopes offer panoramic views of the surrounding plains. Not far from KALAT lies Hingol National Park. This park is a sanctuary for a diverse range of flora and fauna. Visitors can explore its rugged canyons, marvel at its unique mud volcanoes, and encounter the elusive wildlife that calls it home. From the heights of Mount Harbour to the depths of Hingol National Park, KALAT offers a feast for the eyes and a sanctuary for the soul. Section 5, a land of resilience, flora, fauna, and agriculture. Despite the arid climate, KALAT is home to a surprising variety of plant and animal life. The region's flora has adapted to survive in the harsh conditions. Hardy shrubs and desert plants dot the landscape. They provide sustenance to the local fauna. The fauna of KALAT is just as resilient. Wild goats, gazelles, and leopards roam the mountains. Birds of prey soar overhead, their keen eyes scanning the ground for food. The people of KALAT have also adapted to their environment. They have practiced agriculture for centuries. They cultivate crops that can withstand the dry conditions. Section 6, Echoes of the Past. KALAT Fort and Historical Treasures. KALAT is a town steeped in history, where every corner whispers tales of bygone eras. Nestled in the heart of Balochistan, this town is a living museum, preserving the essence of its rich cultural heritage. The iconic KALAT Fort stands as a symbol of the town's glorious past. Its walls, though weathered by time, still exude an aura of strength and resilience. This fort is not just a structure, it is a storyteller narrating the saga of KALAT's historical significance. Perched atop a hill overlooking the town, this ancient fortress has witnessed centuries of history unfold. From the vantage point of the fort, one can almost hear the echoes of battles fought and alliances forged. The view from the top is breathtaking, offering a panoramic glimpse into the town's past and present. The fort's strategic location made it an impregnable stronghold, playing a pivotal role in the region's power struggles. Its fortifications were designed to withstand sieges and invasions, making it a key player in the defense of the town. The architecture of the fort is a testament to the ingenuity and foresight of its builders. Within the town itself, historical treasures abound. The streets of KALAT are lined with buildings that tell stories of a time when the town was a bustling hub of trade and culture. Each structure, with its unique architectural style, adds to the town's charm and historical value. Nindo Dam, a historical graveyard, houses the tombs of KALAT's former rulers. This graveyard is not just a resting place for the departed. It is a sacred site that holds the memories of the town's illustrious past. The tombs here are a testament to the respect and reverence the people of KALAT have for their ancestors. These tombs are not just resting places, they are intricate works of art adorned with beautiful carvings and inscriptions that offer a glimpse into the past. Each carving tells a story, each inscription a piece of history, making Nindo Dam a treasure trove of historical and cultural significance. The White Palace, a more recent addition to KALAT's architectural landscape, stands as a testament to the town's enduring legacy. This grand structure, with its pristine white walls and elegant design, is a symbol of the town's continuous evolution. It represents a bridge between the past and the present, showcasing the town's ability to preserve its heritage while embracing modernity. Section 7. The White Palace, a symbol of refinement. The White Palace, also known as the Mahata Palace, stands in stark contrast to the rugged landscape surrounding it. This architectural marvel is a testament to the vision and craftsmanship of its creators, who sought to build a sanctuary of elegance amidst the harsh surroundings. The palace's pristine white exterior gleams under the sun, creating a striking visual that captivates all who lay eyes on it. Built in the early 20th century, this elegant palace was once the residence of the Khan of KALAT. The Khan, a prominent figure in the region, desired a home that would reflect his status and the rich cultural heritage of KALAT. The palace was designed with a blend of traditional and modern architectural elements, making it a unique landmark in the area. Its construction involved skilled artisans and craftsmen who meticulously worked on every detail to ensure that the palace would stand the test of time. Its white facade, intricate details, and manicured gardens speak of a bygone era of grandeur and refinement. The palace's architecture features a harmonious blend of local and foreign influences, with intricate carvings and ornate decorations adorning its walls and ceilings. The gardens, meticulously maintained, offer a serene escape from the arid landscape, with lush greenery and vibrant flowers providing a stark contrast to the surrounding terrain. Walking through the palace grounds, one can almost hear the echoes of the past, as if the walls themselves are whispering tales of the lives that once inhabited this majestic residence. Today, the White Palace serves as a museum, offering visitors a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of the Khan and his family. The museum's exhibits are carefully curated to showcase the rich history and cultural heritage of KALAT, with each room telling a different story. Visitors can explore the lavishly decorated halls adorned with period furniture and artifacts that provide insight into the daily lives of the palace's former residents. The museum also hosts special exhibitions and events, further enriching the visitor experience and providing a deeper understanding of the region's history. The palace houses a collection of artifacts, photographs, and personal belongings that tell the story of KALAT's royal past. These items offer a tangible connection to the past, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience the grandeur of the Khan's reign. The collection includes everything from intricately designed jewelry and clothing to historical documents and photographs that capture significant moments in the region's history. Each artifact has its own story to tell, adding to the rich tapestry of KALAT's cultural heritage. The White Palace is a must-visit for anyone interested in exploring the rich history and cultural heritage of KALAT. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an architecture aficionado, or simply a curious traveler, the palace offers a unique and enriching experience. As you wander through its halls and gardens, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the artistry and vision that went into creating this symbol of refinement. The White Palace stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of the Khan of KALAT and the rich cultural heritage of the region, inviting all who visit to immerse themselves in its timeless beauty. Section 8. Journey to KALAT, practical tips and insights. Reaching KALAT is an adventure in itself. Nestled in the heart of Balochistan, this town is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered by intrepid travelers. The journey to KALAT is as much a part of the experience as the destination itself. The town is accessible by road from Quetta, the capital of Balochistan. The drive from Quetta to KALAT is approximately 145 kilometers and takes around 3 hours. The road is well maintained, making for a smooth and enjoyable drive. The journey takes you through a mesmerizing landscape of rugged mountains, arid plains, and picturesque valleys. Each turn of the road reveals a new vista, more breathtaking than the last. The stark beauty of the landscape is a reminder of the raw, untamed nature of this region. The best time to visit KALAT is during the spring or autumn months when the weather is pleasant. During these seasons, the temperatures are moderate, making it ideal for exploring the town and its surroundings. Spring brings a burst of wildflowers, adding color to the arid landscape, while autumn offers a cool respite from the summer heat. KALÀT is a conservative town. The local culture is deeply rooted in tradition, and visitors are expected to respect these customs. The town's atmosphere is serene and reflective, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. Visitors are advised to dress modestly. This means wearing clothing that covers the shoulders and knees. For women, a headscarf is also recommended. Dressing modestly is a sign of respect for the local customs and helps in blending in with the community. The local crafts of KALÀT are renowned for their beauty and craftsmanship. The town is famous for its traditional handicrafts, which include intricate embroidery, hand-woven carpets, and beautifully crafted pottery. These items make for unique and meaningful souvenirs. Be sure to look out for beautiful carpets, rugs, and embroidery work, perfect souvenirs to remember your trip. Each piece tells a story of the region's rich cultural heritage and the skill of its artisans. The vibrant colors and intricate designs are a testament to the creativity and dedication of the local craftsmen. KALÀT offers a unique travel experience. It is a place where time seems to stand still, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the local way of life. And the town's narrow streets, traditional houses, and bustling markets provide a glimpse into a world that is both ancient and timeless. It is a chance to step back in time and experience the warmth and hospitality of the Baloch people. The locals are known for their generosity and kindness, often inviting visitors into their homes for a meal or a cup of tea. This hospitality is an integral part of the Baloch culture and adds to the charm of visiting KALÀT. Section 9. Conclusion. KALÀT, where history meets nature. KALÀT is a town that has it all: history, culture, nature, and adventure. From the imposing KALÀT fort to the serene beauty of Hingle National Park, the town offers a unique blend of experiences. Its arid climate and rugged landscape may seem unforgiving at first, but they hold a certain allure, a testament to the resilience of nature and the human spirit. A trip to KALÀT is a journey into the heart of Balochistan. It is a chance to explore a land less traveled. It is a chance to discover the hidden gem of KALàT, a place where history meets nature in perfect harmony.